What's poppin' everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dani, also known as Street by Dani, and Happy New Year to everyone. 2025 na guys. Magbago na daw tayo kasi ang dami daw nating sapatos, so dapat mag-save na tayo, hindi na tayo bibili ng bago pang sapatos. I can't promise that guys kasi this year maraming good sneaker releases and I'm excited to see ano yung mga ilalabas na mga sneaker brands this year, diba? And speaking of sneakers, to start this 2025 video of mine, syempre mag-sneaker unboxing tayo. So I'm not sure if this is counted as my first sneaker of the year kasi I won it last year sa sneaker raffle, but I just got it this year kasi I didn't spend the holidays here in Manila. I spent it sa Davao. Nung pumunta ako dito, 2025 na, dun ko na nakita yung sneakers. So I think counted naman siya as my first sneaker of the year. So let's unbox na guys. Here it is. As you can see, there's the Jumpman logo. So alam natin na Jordan to. Ang cool guys kasi ang ganda ng paper bag nila. Hindi siya yung normal paper bag na nakukuha natin sa Jordan Manila. Maybe because na-release to nung December, so Christmas, so red yung theme. I will keep this for sure kasi wala na akong ibang paper bag na ganito. So anyway, let's go straight to the shoes. So the sneakers I got last year guys is, tada! If you guys know the box, it is the Travis Scott Jordan collaboration. As you can see, ito yung size ko guys, 7.5 men's. Alam niyo na. Alam niyo naman yung itsura ng mga Travis Scott boxes guys. Sometimes it's different. Depende sa release. So nung dito sa Fragment na triple collab, meron siyang sleeve. So for this release, wala siyang sleeve guys. So ganito lang siya. And then when you open the box, ayan, you can see the Travis Jordan Nike Cactus Jack branding paper with the signature pink color. And as you open it, tada! Ito na yung shoes guys. So, this is the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low in the color Velvet Brown. Ano masasabi niyo sa release na to guys? Actually, one of my favorites to kasi when it comes to the Travis Scott Jordan 1 collabs, gusto ko yung mga very unique colors. So, for example, itong Canary, this one, isa to sa favorite ko kasi yung color niya is something different naman, diba? So, yun guys, let's take a closer look on the details of the shoe. So, this is the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Velvet Brown. As you can see, yung material niya guys, rough suede. I'm not sure nubuck ba ang tawag dito sa material na to. But when you take a closer look at it in person, guys, maganda siya. Hindi siya yung hairy suede na mahirap i-maintain. So, hindi siya ganun, guys. So, mas madali ito i-maintain yung ganitong kind of material. So, as you can see here, it has the signature reverse swoosh of Travis Scott, the Nike branding over here on the tongue. And also here on the tongue, you can see the Cactus Jack branding as well. At the back, the Cactus Jack logo, and then here on the side we can see also the Cactus Jack logo, and then on the back naman dito sa other pair is the Air Jordan branding with the wings. Ito naman yung outsole, may nakalagay na Travis Scott. On the other pair naman guys, you can see the Cactus Jack and Jumpman logo. Dito naman sa outsole guys, it has the Jordan 1 outsole. So it comes with 3 laces. This one on the shoe, and the signature Travis pink one. And is this another brown? Oh wait guys, parang brown rin ito, pero dark brown siya. I'll show you guys para mas makita nyo ng maayos. It's a darker brown compare dito sa isa. Can you see the difference guys? Ito mas darker, ito mas light. So, yan yung mga shoelaces na kasama with the pair, guys. For the sizing nga pala, guys, I get a lot of questions from you guys kung paano ang sizing ng Jordan 1. So, for me, guys, true to size siya. So, yung retail price pala for this, guys, is 8,095 pesos. I'm not sure kung how much yung mga resale prices ngayon. Last time I checked, mga around 20k pa akyat, I think. I'm not sure. It depends on the size din. So, I think that's it for the sneaker unboxing. May pupuntahan pa ako na kasal tonight, guys. And actually, I think I'm late na. And hahanap pa ako ng susuotin. So, I'll be attending one of my friend's wedding. And actually, guys, if napapanood niyo yung mga videos ko, for sure you guys know Beyond the Hype. There's Jella, there's Carlo, Ken, and actually Seth, siya yung ikakasal tonight. So, I think I need to get ready na, guys. So, tara, let's see kung saan tayo madadala sa video na to. And I'll see you guys later. Congratulations, guys! Congratulations!
Oh my gosh! With the DJ, I think you done it. Thank you.
Kami ang number 1 sa kakain.
Perks talaga, sobrang hindi ko in-expect. Sanay ako laging huli eh. Congratulations, Sophia! Let's go!
Congrats, Sophia!
Ay, hindi ko alam yun ah. Hindi ko in-expect yun ah.
Pambihira yung bride. Di na kayo makakano, no? Sa balota. Hi, Danny's vlog.
Hey guys, so it's another day and we are here now at Shangri-La Mall. Actually guys, isa to sa mga, I'm not sure kung hidden siya, pero nice siya na photo spot. Ayan, kasi ang ganda ng mga lines and everything. So, magte-take lang ako ng photos here. Kasama ko si Vision Vulture. Say hi!
Yo, what up, YouTube?
So, magpapapicture ako sa kanya kasi suot ko rin today yung Make Way na Nike P6000 collab. Ayan siya guys. It's a really nice pair and I love the story of this pair as well. So, yun lang muna. Picture muna kami dito guys and I'll see you guys later.
All night, say it. I want it all night. I want it all night. Say it. I want it all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way,
Vision Vulture on YouTube, TikTok, and IG.
and I won't let you miss.
Hey guys, so done na kami mag-take ng photos. And then, ngayon pupunta kami ng Salomon. I-check namin ano yung mga stocks na meron ngayon.
It's all in the sky. Ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I want.
Ang ganda nito guys, oh. Parang siyang mule. Tapos contact grip na yung ano niya guys, outsole. May isa pang color. Ayun. Ganda. Ganda nitong red na colorway guys, oh. Tsaka itong green. So if you guys are wondering kung how much ang XT6 dito sa atin, it is 12,290 pesos. Ayan.
Come through and chill, chill, chill. Just say you will.
Yep.
Happy birthday! Sweet dreams are made of cake. Naks. Sa ano pala kami guys, secret recipe dito sa Shang. Masarap food nila guys. Sorry hindi ko napakita. And also their drink pala guys, ang sarap. Ginger drink to guys. Masakit kasi throat ko. So, ginger tea muna tayo ngayon. Light nga siya. Bakit ganun tayo guys, no? Sa desserts. It is supposed to be sweet, pero gusto natin yung mga hindi ganun ka-sweet. So parang sasabihin natin, I like it kasi hindi ganun ka-sweet. Weird, no? Ang sarap. Different layers pa siya guys. Ayan. Enjoy ko na muna tong cake ko guys. Hey guys, so it's another day and we are going to BGC. We'll be checking out yung mga stocks ng Atmos, Titan, and Nike as well. So parang monthly check-up lang sa mga pairs na nandun. Uy, biglang lumiwanag, guys. So, ayun, that's what we'll be doing today. And, ayun, samahan nyo ako para ma-check natin yung mga magagandang mga sapatos ngayon. So, I think that's it. Bye! Okay guys, so I'm gonna try itong Yun na collection. Kasi sale na siya 50 off. So from 7, naging 3 plus na lang siya. So I'm gonna try it first. Hi pa ulit sa vlog.
Ano ulit name mo, madam?
Natalie po. Yun, si Ate Natalie.
Yun. May tinatanong ng mga viewers eh. Sino yung malapit na nag-aano sa Nike?
Nag-a-assist.
Ayan, si Madam Natalie yun, guys.
May nangalan na kami, ma'am, permanent markdown, pati sa shoes, ma'am.
Meron
50
na.
off pag-word sticker, blue sticker type yun.
Until when yan?
Until last supply, ma'am. Pero kapag nag-restock siya, ma'am, regular na.
Regular stock.
Gets.
Ayan, alam nyo na guys. Punta kayo sa...
Kahit sa men's, madam, meron.
Apo, meron din po sa men's. Naglalagay din po sila ng sticker. Kasi kahapon naglagay na po kami ng sticker. Eto po, red sticker.
Ayan.
50 off.
Hey!
So, ayan, sitting pa dito yung Year of the Mamba na Kobe. Pero ayan, ang tawag nga rin ng ibang tao dito is yung eggplant. Kasi kakulay niyang eggplant. Pero nice siya in person pala. So, sitting pa siya dito. How much siya? Ate Natalie, magkano yung Kobe? So, 11,495 siya, guys. Tapos, meron pala sila dito yung parang Christmas na release na Kobe. And also this one. Ito naman guys, ito yung Nike City. May iba-ibang color siya. Ayan siya guys. Ano siya? 5,495. Ito na yung mga ACG Air Explorade. Ito yung recommend ko kasi hindi siya yung normal na makikita mo usually na suot ng mga tao. Ito yung ACG Izzy. Parang siyang loafers ang peg niya. Tingnan mo. 7,395 guys. So, sa mga ACG lovers dyan, alam nyo na. Guys, do you remember this? Yung Janowski na slip-on. Nakakatuwa. 4,695 siya, guys. Nakalimutan ko pala mag-fit check, guys. So, ang suot ko ngayon, I got this thrifted na Nike jersey. Nabili ko yata to nung sneaker con Pampanga. Tapos, off-white shades. Favorite ko na Old Navy pants. Ayun nga pala, guys, sa mga nagtatanong na mga size 14 and up sa pants na women. Maganda sa Old Navy. I recommend. And then, ayan, I'm wearing my Air Max EN from Foot Locker. So, yun lang yung drip natin today. Ayan guys, so magka-cash out na tayo. Check out na tayo. Salamat. May papakita pala ako sa inyo guys, kasi kanina hindi ako naka-mic. So ngayon naka-mic na ako. Ang ganda ng bumero na to. So we're done with Nike and let's check out the other stores. Monopoly. Meron dito guys yung Black Cat. Ito yung suit ko nung other day guys. Party 6,000 Make-Me. So ano siya? 6,195 siya. Ito guys, ito yung display nila for the Jordan 11 Legend Blue. So cute. So meron silang little photo spot dito sa Titan, BGC. Sale na siya ngayon, no? 5,916 na lang. So done na kami tumingin sa mga stores. And hindi mo na ako dumaan ng Jordan Manila kasi out of the way na siya dun sa nilakad namin. But I will pass there soon. So yun lang muna. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya mga binili namin. Bye! Hey guys! So we are now back home and i-share ko sa inyo yung nakuha ko sa Nike Fort. So, nakita nyo siguro guys na trinay ko itong cardigan. This cardigan kasi guys is part of yung Yoon collection. So, Yoon is si Yoon An from Ambush. Siya yung designer ng Ambush. And isa siya sa mga favorite designers ko ngayon. Especially for sneakers and for their collab with Nike. So, ito yung parang apparel line. And tagal ko na to actually hinintay guys. Pero medyo pricey kasi siya. Pero dahil 50% off si Nike Fort. And kung napanood nyo to guys, baka 50% off pa rin yung mga selected items nila. Ayun, I got this for 3,000 pesos na lang. Steal na rin, diba? Tsaka gusto ko talaga style niya. I really love her style. Ang galing niya talaga na designer. So anyway, so ito yung nakop ko sa Nike Fort. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you sa mga nakakaabot dito sa end of this video. Kung umabot kayo, let me know in the comments para alam ko na umabot kayo dito. Thank you again and alam niyo na ang gawin nyo at Street by Danny on all social media platforms. And marami pa akong video na ilalabas guys kasi I'll be more consistent this year. So alam niyo na, subscribe na rin kayo para you won't miss a video na ilalabas. So I think that's it. Happy New Year everyone. Danny out!